This is attorney Sarah Holmes from Holmes Business Law PC. Today we are going to ask a question that is on a lot of employers' minds, which is, can I require my employees to get a COVID vaccination? Now, there's strong opinions on both sides of this, vaccine, no vaccine. As far as employers go and whether you can require employees, the short answer is yes, you can, but you're going to have to be very careful. Meaning, a lot of times there are some medical questions or pre-vaccination medical questions that employees are asked in order to see if they can qualify or medically be eligible for the vaccination. Those are not questions you ever want to be asking your employees. Or if you do, you only should do that in conjunction with the advice of an attorney. You have to be very, very careful in ever asking your employees for medical information. So number one, you could ask them to get vaccinated, but you don't want to, for example, be responsible for doing that yourself. So if you're thinking, hey, I'm an employer, I'm going to have a mass vaccination drive done on site, maybe not the best idea. Your employees could go to a pharmacy, any kind of clinics that are running, and then later they could show you proof by way of their vaccination card to show that they've been vaccinated. Now, they can object. There are religious exemptions for vaccination as well as medical exemptions. Both of them, you have to be extremely careful in asking follow-up questions and how that's done. And we would strongly advise any employer to not go down that road and not be asking employees those questions without the legal advice of counsel. So the short answer is yes, employers can require their employees to be vaccinated for COVID, but you have to be very careful and allow exemptions for religious reasons and for medical reasons. And we strongly suggest that any employer, before asking any employee questions about religion or medical exemptions, that they get the advice of counsel. And in fact, do not ask employees those questions without getting advice from an attorney. All right, so if you need help on any of these issues, feel free to reach out to our office and we can help you through this in getting your workforce back to work. Thanks.